In front of me is Xiaomi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on alarm icon at the top and tap on this plus one to create your alarm. Finally, set up an hour. When you're ready, click on repeat and tap on the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you wish to choose once, click on it and manage this option delayed after it goes off by tapping on the switcher next to it. If you want to choose custom though, you need to click on it and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. Then save them by choosing OK. Now click on ringtone. Select one of those options like fireflies or click on all ringtones and pick one of those options. You can select choose a local ringtone, pick one of those sources and select music from your smartphone after tapping on allow, or you can click on pre-install ringtones and click on apply next to one of those, like breeze. When you're ready, click on OK in the pop-up to confirm your choice and tap on the back button. Now click on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations and click on label. Over here you can label your alarm however you want to and save it by tapping on OK. Lastly, tap on this check mark at the top right corner and as you can see after that, my alarm was successfully created. If you want to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. Then pick one of those options. You can switch it back on the same way. If you wish to edit it, click on it, tap on additional settings next to done and make your changes. You can discard them by clicking on the top left corner or save them by clicking on top right one. Lastly, if you wish to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold the chosen one, tap on delete at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!